Hello. Thought I'd show you my latest junk journal that was probably 6 months in the making because I collect bits and pieces here and there and add to it slowly over time. So this page has some journaling space, a bit of a picture to look at. It's got recipes, little things to play with and hold with your fingers, a bit of sensory, stuff going on, some more recipes. Places for photos and more journaling space, and have a cup of tea while you're journaling. There's a little envelope here, gorgeous cameo that I found, journal card, and guess what? Yes, it's another recipe. Cold strawberry soup or something. How cool. A few things to look at, feel, admire, journal, play a tune if you know how, or journal on the back of it, and a bookmark will fit into this nice little fabric covered pocket. This was so fun to make as I just slowly collected and found things. Cute little fabric doll and some textile textures, more journaling pages, a recipe for cake decorating fruity things, journaling stuff, a beautiful letter thing that I found. Look, even swatches from the paint shop. It's amazing what you can put in these journals. Anything you find, you just think, oh, I think that'll work in there. That was some stickers, more spaces for photos. Don't have to keep the photo that I'll put in there. Little picture there, and a poem that goes with it. Another recipe, pictures, more journaling space, and more journaling space. There's certainly still space left in this to insert more photos, insert more journaling cards, anything you like, basically. I highly recommend it, taking up junk journal making. It's so much fun. Bye.